that just sits right there to kind of help you out to cover your neck a little more. All right, cool. Someone's like, this is a good thing. And then you're going to go the other way just like that. All right, now how many feel a tightness in their neck? That's awesome. She's walking. That's tremendous. She's walking like this. Looks like she needs a beating. Okay, so now if you feel tightness in your neck, normally we're taught take our head, pull it as far as possible, tear our head out of the socket. We don't want to do that. So what we're going to do is we're going to do a little John Travolta from Staying Alive. Anybody remember that movie? Okay, good. You see it. So that's fine. It's all good. So good. You too. So now what you're going to do is you tilt your head one direction. Now you take the opposite hand. You point 45 degrees in the way that your neck is going, and then you point 45 degrees this way. The more that you point your hand, the more that there's 6 meters on 5 is awesome. The more that you point this way, you should feel more of a stretch in your neck. Does that make sense? Do you feel it? By the expression on her face. Awesome. So now let's do the other side. You're going to tilt your head this way, 45 degrees this way, and then point this way, and more of a stretch, point your finger that way, and now breathe. Breathe in, and breathe out. Okay, now, so I just caught somebody yawning. Good for you.
Hey everyone, thank you so much for watching my videos. Ron Schwally here. Just wanted to say I appreciate you. Feel free to like, subscribe, and click on the bell if you want to see more videos coming your way to be alerted. Just thank you so much, and feel free to share this content with anybody who you think would find some value from this. Have an awesome, joyous, wonderful, breath-filled rest of your day.